Hi everyone, welcome back to ENG Story. I'm Julie.
And I'm Poe. We're so glad you're here. Today, we're talking about something that often goes unnoticed. Those tiny, everyday moments that make a huge difference in our mood. That's right.
Sometimes it's not about grand gestures or big vacations. It's the little things that keep us going. Let me start. My mornings are usually a blur of getting ready and commuting. But today, I took just 10 minutes to sit in a quiet corner with a warm cup of coffee before starting my schoolwork. It really helped me find solace before the chaos began.
I totally get that, Churi. Even though I'm a morning person, I often feel overwhelmed by emails and tasks. Finding that one moment of peace really changes the energy of the whole day. For me, my small joy happens at the office. I had a really difficult project to finish, and when I finally ticked the last box on my list, I felt such a huge sense of accomplishment. It wasn't a major promotion, but it felt good.
That's such a great feeling, Pule. It's funny how a simple checklist can make us feel so productive. It's not the size of the task, but the feeling of finishing it. Exactly. I think that's the beauty of it. Whether it's a quiet coffee or finishing a small task, these moments are what keep us happy.
Agreed. They aren't just moments. They are the fuel that powers our days.
Now, before we wrap up, let's look at two expressions we use today. The first one is find solace.
Right. We use this when we need to find comfort or peace, especially when life gets a bit stressful. You can say, I found solace in music after a long day.
Great example. The second phrase is sense of accomplishment.
This one is for that proud feeling you get when you finish something big or small. It's like, I felt a great sense of accomplishment after I finished cleaning my room.
So, that's it for today's ENG story. It's all about appreciating those little things.
We'd love to hear from you. What is your small joy today? Tell us in the comments below.
Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to ENG Story for more stories.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.